Hey guys, so bear with me while I learn and I go through this blogging journey. I'm sure by the time I get to blog 100, it's going to be a whole different experience. And those are my babies. Say hi, Hazel. But I'm going to take you guys for this blog. I just got two packages from Likewise. They should be both shifters for the STI and the GR Corolla. Also, I got this cool little GR Corolla little Hot Wheel toy from Japan that I got from Gwen's aunt. Gwen's my fiance for those that don't know. But yeah, so really thankful for that little gift. But yeah, let's go ahead. So inside both packages, you have your cool little Likewise boxes. So this is the shifter, if I can get it out. So this is for the STI. Kind of just like a basic shifter. The box shows it black, but it's actually going to be purple. I'll go ahead and open that for you guys. And then same thing with this. This is just a nice little fancy cover. This is just the kind of the one that's currently on the STI is a little just plasticky. This is more metal, so it's a little bit more luxurious feeling. Yeah, and then the same thing is for the GR. The GR one is going to be white because the GR is white itself. But this one shows black, but I'll go ahead and open it so you guys can see it. And then same kind of concept here where we got the actual cover for the GR as well. But this is just metal, while the one that's on the GR now it is plastic. So here is the first shifter for the Corolla. And what I will say about Likewise and this packaging in general is very iPhone-esque. It feels like I'm opening a brand new Apple product, which is really nice, and this should go really well with the GR. And here's the shifter for the STI. It's purple. I know the STI gives you a lot of red accents. I went with purple harnesses just because I really like the color purple right now, and I feel like this shifter should be a nice addition to the little bit of purple aesthetics that I have going with the car. And that's what I got going for now. Here are the actual reverse lockout pieces. So both of them have that same purple pull up little lever there. And the purple matches really nicely with the shifter. And then with the GR, I wanted to add the little purple accent, but that one is more tame, so I'm not really going full send on the purple, just a white shifter for the GR. But can't wait to throw these on. I'll probably take you guys on that journey now too. So here we are inside the car. I won't get too deep into details. This is a GR Corolla, as you guys can see. Pretty much first step, there's a little plastic washer here. You just gotta pull that off. I literally did it by hand. There's a little spring, and then you're able to kind of pull this thing all the way through. But now we're gonna have to remove the actual whole piece here. You just have to be careful for the cables here on the top and maybe down here, but I think it's just going to be all of this, so I won't really go to the end. So the next step is to pull the whole actual assembly out. You're going to pull this piece off over here, the little plastic piece. You're going to pull that off. It's pretty much, you could do this all by hand. I just pull, all you got to do is really just pull up on these little side trims here, and the whole thing kind of just unclips itself. Don't be scared. It's literally just gonna unclip, and then once you get to that, you just gotta kind of wiggle this center piece off. Once you're able to wiggle that off, then at that point, you know, he's got, I mean, they say to unplug this plug, but it's fine because it's tied there. I literally didn't bring any tools with me, so I'm not really trying to undo anything. So like here, normally you'll be able to kind of like pull this off probably with like a flat head. You don't really need to do all that. I was just able to wiggle this thing out. So you just pull the plastic piece off. Like I said, don't be scared, just literally pull it off. Just be careful, I guess, for ripping the little boot itself. But once you get all that going, it's just the to install is really opposite. So just get this rod through the new piece and then just wiggle it back into where it needs to go in here. You'll kind of see it once you're actually doing it. I didn't want to get too in depth with the tutorial just because this isn't really a tutorial type of video. I just wanted more, just give you guys an overview. But pretty much just there's a little O-ring that comes with the kit, rubber O-ring that goes in first. You throw you throw the boot on next. From there, you throw on the spring with a little washer that comes with the kit as well. and you sandwich that in with the actual adapter plate, or the actual adapter nut that also comes with the kit, and then you just screw on the shift knob, and you just screw this in with 2 Allen screws here on the front, and you're good to go, you know. So yeah, overall this feels amazing. I can't wait to drive again with it. It's gonna be a different experience. But as far as my first vlog goes, I think I'm gonna end it there. Keep it short, simple. But thank you guys for watching. I promise with more and more time, probably different equipment, different camera gear, because right now I'm just using my phone, you know, different editing softwares, whatever. I'm sure I'll pick it up, you know. This is all an art, you know. I'm more of a photography guy. You guys know that. You guys see my work on Instagram. But I want to get into this world. I want to give you guys some different clips. I want to give you guys some live footage. I want to give you guys the behind the scenes. You know, I always do so much to the cars and I never even document it. So with that being said, you know, I'm hoping that you guys enjoy this series. I'm going to try to keep it as consistent as possible for what I do for work. It's very kind of, you just got to be on point. You got to be ready to go whenever. So it's hard for me to predict, you know, what's gonna call and what free time I actually have. But for the free time that I do have, you know, I'm gonna try to be as consistent as I can. And yeah, man, so enjoy your day, and I will see you guys on the next one.